Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm gonna try to make a video. Tire change thing with the Harbor Freight tire changer. I don't know how it's gonna come out. It's been a minute since I did tires. I remember. Stick this thing up in here. This is what'll scratch your damn wheel up if you don't. Put the t-shirt down here. That's what holds the wheel down. And screw that on there so it's tight. And then you take this big ass bar, snug it up. Let's see if that works better than the Windex. Wait. Come on, bitch. Alright, I'm just going ham on this thing, man. I can't get it on. Should just go pay a tire shop, right? Oh, that's no fun. I need to bolt this damn thing down. Spilt my fucking drink. Yeah, guys, remember when you do wheels, don't forget the valve stem. Luckily, I was able to pull that one up and pull it through. Got one done. So on the next one, I'm just gonna put on time-lapse mode because it's taking me a while, but I'll try flipping the wheel over. It might be easier to mount them on this lip because it don't look as straight as that one. It looks more curved, I guess. Might slide easier, and I won't fuck up the face. I'll only scratch the back, which I don't care about. Alright, 2 down, 2 to go. I ain't gonna lie, these are kicking my ass. Tried mounting them backwards. Whatever. It didn't make a fucking difference. I still can't get the damn thing on. It doesn't help that this thing wobbles everywhere. I think if I actually had it mounted to the floor, it might be a little bit easier. The hard part on these is getting it on there, man. Once you get it somewhat stuck, it's not too bad. Almost on there. There it goes. They're sure. I actually did a video on this when I did my silverbacks on my Razor 900. No, it was when I put the Razor 1000 wheels on my Sportsman. I just never posted the video. Those were a lot easier. There it goes. Alright, I'm sweating my ass off doing this, but I'm gonna see if I can do it with the GoPro head mount. See how it comes out. That's what keeps the wheel from spinning too much. Old shirt. See this good. See if I regret this. Oh shit, you know what? I'm not even paying attention. Those are all going the same way. Fuck. Oh no. Oh, I got lucky. I got real lucky. Those two going forward. That one's going that way. So I need this one to go this way. That would have sucked to have to redo one of these. This way, right? Yeah, buddy. That's the hardest part. Getting that first part. Usually on tires, you just slam them and the first bead goes easy. Not these guys. There she goes. There's the first layer. If you don't mind a little hard labor, it's not that bad. Although with everyone running fucking 20s and 35 plus tires, most people probably don't want to do this. If you're still on stocks, might work for you. Get on there. Almost there. There it goes. Nothing to it. Got, that's the worst one there. A little bit there. No biggie. What we got to help turn these 32 tires? Yeah, it's a clutch kit from 3P Off-Road. Fucking almost on there. Come on, get your ass in there. Alright, that ain't working. Alright, fuck it, let's be dangerous. Anything happens, at least we got it on camera. Line that motherfucker on there. Is the camera still on? God damn. Alright then. Did I get that up? Oh shit, I almost got my hand. Oh man, this one's gonna be even harder.
Ready?
It's not even close, no? Hold on, hold your horses. Yeah. Light? Oh, I smashed it. It ain't gonna work. Maybe I shouldn't stand so close. I didn't throw anything. There's something go off flying?